Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a follow-up task for another task in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 1000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our project, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into a project, then into a task. And here in the top right corner we find three little dots. We tap on those, and as the fifth option we find create follow-up task. We just tap on this, and then we can create a follow-up task for this task, and here we can view it and edit it the same way as the one before it. So if we go back to the original task, we are going to see this, and then in the My Tasks section, we can find the follow-up to the task that we have. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.